What if I told you a Chinese AI company just released a model that giving ChatGPT a run for its money and it's cost 95% less to run? In the past 30 days, DeepSeek R1 has completely blindsided Silicon Valley, causing AI stock to crash and making tech giants scramble. But here the kicker, most people have no idea this even happened. Today we are putting DeepSeek R1 head to head with ChatGPT in the ultimate AI showdown. I will show you which one actually win in real world tested. By the end of this video you will know actually which AI should be your ghost. But first let me blow your mind with something incredible. DeepSeek R1 was trained for just $5.6 million, ChatGPT over $100 million. Yet, blind test users are choosing DeepSeeker answer 60% of this time. How is this even possible? And here's the crazy part, while you have been paying $20 per month for ChatGPT Plus, DeepSeek R1 has been quietly outperforming in its coding, mathematics, and reasoning tasks. The AI world just got flipped upside down and nobody saw it coming. Before we dive in, smash that like button if you want to stay ahead for the AI curve and drop a comment. Let me know. Are you team ChatGPT or you are curious about DeepSeek Challenger? The shocking backstory. Let's start with the elephant in the room. On 20 January 2025, DeepSeek quietly dropped their R1 model, and within 48 hours, it became the number one app in the US App Store. Not number one in productivity, number one overall, beating TikTok, Instagram, everything. But here, what really sent shocking waves through Silicon Valley. Nvidia stock dropped 500 million in market cap in a single day. Why? Because DeepSeek provides you don't need the most expensive AI chip to build world-class AI. They use older chip hardware and still create something that drives ChatGPT 4. While OpenAI spent over 100 million training GPT, DeepSeek did it for 5.6 million. That like building a Ferrari of this price of a Honda Civic. And the craziest part, DeepSeek is completely open source. You can download it, modify it, and run it on your computer. ChatGPT locked behind OpenAI paywall forever. But the real question is, does cheaper means better? Let's find out. Head-to-head battle round 1 coding. First test coding. Both AI the exactly same challenge. Build a Python script that realizes YouTube video performance and suggests optimization strategies. ChatGPT responds, and when you run on the both AI, you could now the very interesting. DeepSeek R1 actually show you its thinking process in real time. You can watch it reason because problem step by step, like having a window into its brain. ChatGPT just give you the final answer. So if you are finding this valuable, hit the subscribe button. We are just getting started with the comparison. Battle round 2, math and reasoning. Next up, complex reason. I throw both AI a curveball. If you have 100 people in a room and each people shake hand with each other person exactly once, how many shake hand occurs? Then optimize this for a network curve. Instant rise reasoning test. DeepSeek R1 scores 79.8 versus ChatGPT 73.3. That's a massive difference in AI terms. But wait, there a catch I need to tell you about. Winner is DeepSeek R1. The reality check, GPT fight back. Now before you rush to delete GPT, let me give you the full picture where GPT still dominates: speed, reliability, general conversation, integration, ecosystem. Here, what nobody talk about, DeepSeek R1 is built for thinking, not chatting. If you need an AI to help you solve complex problems, DeepSeek winners. If you need an AI assistant for daily tasks, GPT might still be your best bet. But here the $1,000,000 question: which scenario describe you better? The cost breakdown that change everything. Let's talk money because this is where things get really interesting. GPT plus $20 per month, limited use, no API access, log to OpenAI server. And while on the other hand, DeepSeek R1 basically free trial with Genius limit, API cost 95% less than OpenAI, can run locally on your computer. And I run 1,000 API call on both platforms. GPT cost me $47 and DeepSeek just cost me $2.30. That's not a typo. Here the secret: you can actually run DeepSeek R1 on your own hardware. I will link in tutorial in the description. But imagining having ChatGPT level AI running 24/7 on your computer completely offline with zero monthly fees for business process lot of data. This is not just about saving money. This could save companies thousands per month. If this is blowing your mind like it blow mine, make sure you have subscribed because I am planning a full tutorial on set this up locally. And now we are moving the so after testing both AI, here my honest reviews. Choose DeepSeek R1. You are a developer, researcher or analyst. You need AI for complex problem solving. You want to solve money, like a lot of money. You care about open source and data privacy. You don't mind slight slowly response, then you need to choose DeepSeek R1. And while on the other hand, GPT, you use AI for casual conversation and creativity. You need fast snappy response. You rely on GPT integration with other app. You prefer a polished consumer friendly experience. But here my bold prediction: within 6 months DeepSeek will launch a speed optimization version that match ChatGPT response time. When that happens, it's game over for OpenAI dominance. The real story here is not just about two AI models competing. This is about China proving they can build world-class AI for a fraction of this cost without the most advanced chip that change everything about the global AI race. So before we wrap up, let me know you 3 insider tips that will make you an AI power user. The hybrid approach: use DeepSeeker AI for heavy thinking tasks and GPT for quick questions. I literally have both open in different browser tabs. And tip number 2, the secret API tricks. You can build custom application that switch between DeepSeek and GPT based on the task complexity. Smart developers are already doing this. And tip number 3, the local setup advantage. Running DeepSeek R1 locally mean your data never leave your computer for sensitive business information. This is huge. I am working on detailed tutorial of all of these strategies. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss them. And the AI landscape just shift dramatically and most people have not even noticed yet. You are now part of the 1% who know what really happening. So here is my question for you: after everything you have seen today, which AI are going to you try first? Drop the comment and let me know if you are team DeepSeek or staying with ChatGPT. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve, subscribe because I am tracking every major development in this space. The AI revolution is just getting started and you definitely want to be on the winning side. I will see you in the next video.